You might have seen one of these clips before.
Ooh.
Well, today you're gonna see the full story. Just a bit of context for you to understand what exactly had to happen and what was the purpose of the actual car. The purpose of the Volvo. Well, initially we got the car exactly for this purpose. It's safe to say that it wasn't supposed to happen what happened, but it happened. There's many things that happened that day. Doesn't matter how good of a driver you think you are, accidents happen. In addition, the person that drove the car is fairly experienced. He has an idea how to control the car. He has an idea what's going on, basically. What happened happened, and from that we can only learn. So how did it start? We got the car, we went to location, it was late, we were supposed to wait till morning to start filming. We we ended up watching some crazy driving videos, and I think at around 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. we said, let's go do some rally action. Chill night sesh, because it's nighttime, you can't really see much. It's not ideal filming at night, everyone knows that. But it's never chill, is it? It's never chill. We never learn, do we? We never learn. We keep doing the same stuff over and over again. That's the second heavy total. Without actually filming it during daytime, bro. Alright, enough yapping. Here's how our night started. I think that was the first indication that maybe it's in our best interest to wait for the morning, because you can't really see, can we?
Нихуя себе. Open the hood, блядь. Open Scheißen. Give me, блядь. Seat belts. What the fuck?
I think that was second indication that maybe we should go home. Luckily, it was just the loose cable on the battery. Some moments were quite chill. That's the way it was supposed to be.
Yo, I think French taxi in Poland.
What? What?
Luckily, neither me, neither the driver was injured. Yeah, the impact was on my side, obviously. Everything happened so fast. 1 second we are having fun, the other second... I'm glad that wasn't a Honda. What do you think we do next? We try to start it. And check this out.
Oh.
How on earth does it start, bro? Fortunately, something was broken. It wouldn't go into gear, it wouldn't do anything. It wouldn't move. So we had to walk. Remember, it's nighttime, middle of nowhere. We started walking. We got lost. Then we ran. Then we got tired. Eventually, after around 2 hours of walking and running, we found home. What do you think is the next logical thing to do in that situation? Yes!
Quando si murirono i panni si te cavarra beverà siamo già lascio sì murirono i lascio sì taglio sempre una sciucazzina rovina